What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about ways to avoid rug pulls and scams, what to look out for. I'm also going to be talking about when I believe the end of the bull run will occur. And last but not least, ways I'm getting ready for a bear market. One of the craziest things that just occurred is this token, I guess. It's called Squid Games. This thing went up like crazy in the past I think it was almost a 1 day thing. So you could see it just went crazy high, green, and then boom. Red light. And people mostly lost all their money. So when there's a lot of excitement and a lot of news with cryptocurrency, it seems like the scammers just start, this is when they start working a lot harder. So you see a lot more projects coming out that you might lose a lot of your money. One of the craziest things that goes on is with YouTube. So you have all these ads that kind of are saying they're either you can invest in a token or they're doing a giveaway. Like an example with this one is giving away ETH. And it seems like it's the founder, but it's not. You're going to get scammed. So the idea is you send them some ETH and they'll send double, triple, whatever. Be very wary of ads, phone calls, people asking you to contact them on WhatsApp. You have to double check, make sure, because if you're giving away your information, especially your keys, there's a good chance you'll be losing your money. So something that just came out, which I'm really suspicious of, is this thing called WorldCoin. The reason is that they're asking you to give them your biometrics. So they scan your iris. In exchange, you get this WorldCoin crypto. There's been people speaking out against this. So I don't know where this project is going. I haven't really paid too much attention, but there's going to be a lot of offerings of free things. So especially when they're telling you they're going to give you free information or free tokens back, almost 99.9999% of the chance it's a scam. It's like winning the lottery that one of these things is actually going to be true. So be very cautious when you're dealing with cryptocurrencies and companies or people that you're not aware of. Even listening to people on YouTube or Odyssey, don't listen to me. Do your own research. None of this is financial advice, and I'm just sharing what I am seeing and experiencing in this cryptocurrency market. So currently, I believe we're in this belief, almost getting into that thrill area. And then once we get, 80, 100K Bitcoin, I'll be in that thrill. Here we have the stock to flow model, one of the more popular charts people like to analyze. And having a look at this, you could see we're really close to that end. And once we get above that $80,000, and if we do go beyond that, we're really, really close to the end. So how am I preparing for the bear market? Now, I've been pretty much trying to educate myself as much as possible. I'm taking a WatersAbove Crypto trading course. Really, really great teacher. Makes it really simple to, learn. I've been learning a lot from his channel and his courses that he does online. We are approaching a new moon, so I do expect to have hopefully some bullish energy. And as we progress, I'll be sharing with you guys what I'm doing as when I'm taking profit. I believe what I will be doing is slowly start taking profit in the next few weeks, maybe 2 to 3 weeks from now. Slowly take profits mostly from Bitcoin, and I'll be putting some money into XRP as long as XRP doesn't, for some reason, all of a sudden start mooning. This is a pretty suppressed coin, and if it keeps into this range, and I expect it to stay there for quite a bit, if it does repeat what it's done in the previous cycle, it will moon a lot later and more violently. So I'm hoping I can get some of those returns there.